Everybody's chasing someone else's idea of perfect. Am I the only one who decided to chase progress instead? Stop watching. Start doing. This is your permission slip. Lift heavy. Eat clean and well. Sleep like you mean it, and show up tomorrow stronger. Muscles don't care about excuses. They only hear consistency. The same goes for your goals. Career, relationships, confidence, small reps, steady progress. People will talk. Let them. Your work speaks louder than their opinions. Every drop of sweat is a vote for the person you want to become. Pain today, pride tomorrow. Get in the gym, push the limit, then push a little more. Be relentless. Be kind to yourself, and never trade your standards for someone else's comfort. Now move. Your future self is waiting. Stay frosty. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out.